Oh my goodness, my darlings, look what hubby came home with, a Dairy Queen cake. DQ Cakes, happiness however you want it. Why buy a DQ cake? Just imagine our world famous soft serve with a fudge crunchy chocolatey middle. It's the perfect way to celebrate any occasion. Planning a special occasion? Customize a cake with an image to match your occasion. Many cakes designs allow you to personalize colors, add photos, and more. Orders can be picked up 24 to 72 hours after placed. Make an occasion a special occasion with DQ Cake. Find a nearby store by clicking the link below. Delicious, quick, and easy cakes for any occasion. Ready for a tasty treat without the hard work? We've got you covered. Select a pre-made DQ cake and let us take care of the decorating. No hassle, no stress. With just a quick pickup, you'll get to savor the iconic combination of soft serve, chocolate fudge, and cookie crumbles in no time. Enjoy our best-selling cake with any extra dose of happiness. With an extra dose of happiness. You can also make your special day extraordinary. Design your DQ cake now. Take control and make it your own. Unleash your creativity with a customized DQ cake. Choose from popular designs or create your own. And choose the colors, text, and designs of the icing, revealing a one-of-a-kind showpiece. Whether it's for a special event or everyday celebration, personalize your cake to match whatever aesthetic you desire. Let your individuality and unique style shine through. DQ Rewards. Earn points can be redeemed for DQ food and treat rewards at participating locations. Points expire 365 days after they are earned. Limit one reward or deal per order. DQ Rewards. Points are earned with each order you place online or when you scan in restaurant. Earn 10 points for every dollar spent. Order now. Your points can be redeemed by available rewards or save them up for something special like a DQ cake. View all rewards. Rewards are only available at participating locations, so check with your favorite DQ location. DQ cake, and he got written Happy New Year on it. And what the best part of this is, these cakes, as you can see, it says $43.99. So this cake was actually like $45. But he didn't pay anything for it. Zippo. He got it for free because I guess he collects points there. It was 3,000 points?
I believe so. Regular price 43 something.
Yeah. So he got this whole cake for free. So this is going to be great. This is going to be our New Year's dessert. Awesome. Well done, my love. My hubby.